here from Barber Creek Long Range Shooting and Hunting School. We're going to kind of go over how to use the Sig Kilo 2400 ABS and your Night Force NXS scope, or SHV, whichever you're using. Remember, these are minute turrets, which is just like a ruler, so every large number is a full minute, and then the in-between 4 clicks are quarter-minute marks. This has a zero stop, so it'll stop at 0 or near 0, and then the 0 is a 200-yard 0 on average. This is the Sig Kilo 2400. When you spin this little piece right here, it's for if you wear glasses and not glasses, or however you want to face it towards your head. I like to put it right up against my eyebrow. Lock your elbows down on something, whether it's a ground and a prone or a bench, because this is a very sensitive laser. It is a class 3 laser, but very tight beam. So first and foremost, the button on the top is the fire button. So you'll fire it to wake up the rangefinder, put the little circle on the target, range the target, let go, and then it's going to give you an initial number. That initial number is the range. And then it will cycle through, and then the next number is how many minutes up you need to dial. And then you come to the turret, and let's say it says 7.5 minutes up. You'll dial it to the number 7 and quarter, 7.5. That's 7.5 minutes up. Then the next number it shows you is the wind hold for left and right. Now you've got two choices. You can either dial the wind on the right side of the scope, or you can hold for the wind with the crosshairs inside the reticle. They're 1 minute marks. Really, that's the simple portion of this. This reads station pressure, temperature, altitude, angle, spin drift, Coriolis, and aerodynamic jump. I know I threw a bunch of things out there, but it basically reads everything that you need to know. Once it's programmed with the right ballistic coefficient, the muzzle velocity, your zero range, scope height from center of scope to center of bore, this does everything. Right. To set the wind in the rangefinder, fire it to wake it up, and then push and hold the mode button on the side until it says LOS. Tap the mode button again, it'll say program 1. Tap the mode button again and it says WD wind direction. It's at 3 o'clock. To change that, hit the fire button and it goes around the clocks, so 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to put it 3 o'clock. Then hit the mode button 2 times, 1, 2, and it says WS wind speed. It's at a 3 mile an hour now. I'm just going to hit the fire button and make it a 5 mile an hour. And then if I wanted to go more, it will go all the way up to a 40 mile an hour wind. But let's just leave it at 5. Now hit the mode button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and now you're back to normal operating. I can now range the target, and then it will give me the range, 539 yards. It says 8.2 minutes up, that's what I dial, and then I would hold right for 1.1 minutes of wind.